Welcome to Car Update, where we bring you the world's most iconic and rare performance machines. Today, we're diving into the beast that succeeded the Diablo and redefined Lamborghini for the 21st century, the 2002 Lamborghini Murcielago. Let's start with the front view. The 2002 Murcielago makes a bold first impression. With its wide stance, low-slung nose, and sharp angular lines, it demands attention. The front bumper features deep air intakes, channeling air toward the massive V12 engine and brakes. Its narrow, wedge-shaped headlights add a sinister edge, while the sleek hood and front splitter combine function with aggressive styling. Every detail up front is about aerodynamics, power, and presence. Now turning to the rear, the Murcielago reveals its most dramatic angle. The centerpiece is a pair of large, round exhaust tips set into a sharply contoured bumper. The taillights feature a modern rectangular design, a departure from the Diablo's round clusters. Above it all, an active rear spoiler can deploy at high speeds for stability. The engine cover, with its hexagonal mesh and cooling vents, hints at the 6.2-liter V12 power plant underneath, one of the last true naturally aspirated monsters. Moving to the right side, the Murcielago's sculpted profile shows off its athletic proportions. From the sharply creased side skirts to the aggressive intakes just behind the doors, every element is designed for performance. The signature scissor doors lift upward, a Lamborghini trademark that never fails to impress. Sitting on bold alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile tires, the car rides low and wide, ready to grip the road at any speed. The left side gives us another look at this automotive sculpture. The long flowing lines and low roofline create a perfect balance of elegance and aggression. The functional air intakes behind the doors open at speed to feed cool air into the engine bay. This isn't just a design statement, it's a testament to Lamborghini's focus on marrying aesthetics with engineering. Now let's step inside the interior. The Murcielago's cabin blends classic Lamborghini rawness with a hint of refinement brought in under Audi's influence. You'll find leather-wrapped sports seats, a minimalist dashboard, and analog gauges that put the focus on driving. The center console is clean and purposeful, featuring aluminum switchgear and easy access to all controls. It's a cockpit built around the driver, low, snug, and focused purely on performance. The 2002 Lamborghini Murcielago marked a new era for the brand, more refined yet still savage at heart. With V12 power, scissor doors, and unmistakable style, it remains a dream machine for enthusiasts everywhere.